queens. Oh, I like that. Hey, queens. But here's the thing. It's Quieens. I like that. Hey, queens. And welcome back to another video. My name's Shequita. If you're new to the channel, hey, how you doing? And I hope by the end of the video you will feel free to subscribe and click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload. I know. I have not been posting weekly like I said I would. But I'll probably explain that later on in the video. I don't want the intro to be too long. But on today's video, what I want to do is what did I want to do? I want to, like, do some content like for TikTok. I've been liking to post like on one platform and then share to the other ones. But I like to rotate. So if I do like an Instagram reel, I like to use that and then post it on like TikTok and Facebook. I've been trying to get used to the whole TikTok thing and the whole editing thing because it's real intimidating to me. The reels were too, but it's starting to get a little easier, especially once you get creative and think out the box. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I just got finished just making up my bed and stuff. Generally, I like to... Is y'all up? Oh, okay. Generally, I like to make sure my space is clean before I start doing any type of content, because the way my brain works, I'm at my most creativeness when I have some candles burning, my space is clean, and it smells so good. So shout out to Bath and Body Works because they always keep my house smelling perfect. My new scent that I've been loving, of course, I love, well, I don't think I ever told y'all. I didn't even show y'all when I had went to Bath and Body Works, all the candles, but it's okay. So since that sale, I like the Sweater Weather, the Mahogany Teak Wood, and ooh, they got a new, well, I don't know if it's new, but girl, I went in there the other day because they had like a sale on their plug-in refills and stuff, and it was a scent called Vanilla Birch. Love it, okay, I love it. It smells so good, you guys. It's like, I can't even describe the scent. Of course, vanilla, but it have like that, like a musk to it, like a vanilla musk type of scent. What else? It has, that's the only thing I can describe it. It's like a vanilla musk type of, and a little bit maybe of a citrus smell to it. It smells so good, you guys. If you're going Bath and Body Works anytime soon, just try to like smell the candles or whatever. It smells awesome. I specifically love it in the plug-in refills and the candles. I don't know if they have it in like the perfume or the lotions, but in the candles and the refills, perfecto. So I like that. I like the eucalyptus mint, I think it's called. And it's in like the neon green. The candle, I think the original package is in like the neon green type of color. That one. Did I say sweater weather? I love the champagne toast, specifically in the lotion in the lotion in the candle. Love it. I never tried in a refill before. I'm kind of scared of it smelling that sweet in my house. Because usually I like something that's like a unisex type of scent. Because, you know, being considerate of my husband, and he too enjoys candles also. So I try to find something that's like good and unisex that both of us can enjoy together rather than me by myself. If it is a scent that I personally like and he does not, I usually get it in a candle and I burn it when he's not home. So yeah, just to be considerate because this is his space as well. So yeah, so I just got on here to tell y'all that. I don't know why. I don't even know if I'll include this footage in the video because I don't want it too long. Only because my engagement with you guys on certain videos don't do as well. So I'm just kind of like keeping an eye on that, but staying true to me though. Because I gotta stay true to Shequita first. So yeah, now we're gonna get to the next portion of the video. Okay, y'all, so I just finished the footage. Check it out on TikTok. Do I got it on now? Yeah. Check it out on TikTok, what have you. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Is it even focusing? Okay, yeah. Check it out on YouTube or whatever. Not YouTube. Y'all watching YouTube on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So, yeah. Am I doing anything else? Oh, also on Vlogmas, I had forgot to update you guys. I was in the process of like moving my room around and like really just really trying to change some things, like freshen it up, lighten it up or whatever. So when you look in this area, excuse like the clothes and stuff like that, I was doing my makeup tutorial, but this is the vanity that I got for Christmas. It's an Impressions vanity mirror, and you can mount it up on the wall or you could put it on the tabletop. So this is like my DIY vanity area, and these two things I got for hold on. Okay, so these two things I got from Five Below. Actually my husband got them for me, and then he also got that little plant there, Five Below, and then that little, no, I got the two little things inside of it myself when I went to Five Below one time. But the little mount thing he got for me. And then this is just my DIY vanity area, just a little chair. And then like one of them little black tables, fold up tables that you get from Walmart. And then this cute little cosmetic fridge is what I also got from my sister-in-law for Christmas. And this cute little flower thing, flower holder, that was from Mother's Day from my husband. It came with these beautiful flowers, and I got my makeup brushes there. This is a water bottle, but I just use it because it's like pink and iridescent. And I thought that it go with the decor. And you guys, the funny part is I was not trying to make this all match. If you look, it's like a pink and rose gold type of thing. And let me tell you like how God worked. I don't know if it's God or not, but I'm gonna say it is. My theme colors for my business, I want it to be like a dusty pink, almost like a peachy light pink type of situation with this like deep dusty rose and like rose gold. Those are like my theme colors from my business and everything. So I really was not trying to come up with that. I'm getting ready to change. This is just paper inside of this little plastic container drawer thing. I'm getting ready to replace it, and I'm just gonna put black paper in there so you can't see what's in it, because that's gonna drive me crazy. And then that's just the trash can in there. So yeah, that is just my little DIY vanity. And then when you go over here, you have the TV. I'm watching Savannah and Silver. Check it out if you haven't already. This little organizer thing, and I thought this was like so cute. Actually y'all, I got this from Dollar Tree, and I love like the detail on it, like a geometric detail on it. And then up here is me and Jamel Fragrances, my keys, my lotion. Then over here is like our gym area, minus the clothes. That's, you know, my husband. But this is like all our workout stuff over here. My ring light, my tripod is over there. And then you got Amira, say hey. Micah, say hey. So you got the bed and everything. We actually just got a new bed. We had like a sleigh bed situation, but we got rid of, let me go over here, we got rid of like the foot of the bed situation because it just made the room seem smaller. Then this is my area, and this is what you guys see on like Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and everything. So yeah, and the curtains and everything, and then we got these two. We've had these two pictures for years. We're in the process of looking for a frame though to put them in, just to give it a little bit more character in the room, preferably something like white or black. I think I might want to do white, because I don't want it to close in the space. I want the space to appear white, I mean bright and roomy or whatever, and then that's Shamil's side of the bed or whatever. So yeah, as you can see, the theme color in the room is that nice, I call it like a light blue green color, like that sea blue type of color. So yeah, and then we always play up pops of colors with the actual sheets up under the comforter. I have gray, I have black, I have gray, black, I have that blue. We brought like an even deeper blue for it. So that's how we like play up the colors in the room, is through that. So yeah, I had forgot to update you guys on it, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get dinner started, because I do have to work today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started, get ready for work and whatever. And that was all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload, and I'll catch you later. Peace. Bye.